Hello everyone, so glad to meet you here. I'm Yuki, the trainer from AI House. So this video today is going to introduce the AI drawing functions to your guide. So what is AI drawing actually? About the AI drawing, it can generate pictures by the AI GC's functions based on your designs. And it has three obvious features. And first is that it can be a reference or inspirations for the designer because it can operate based on the space with small quantity of furniture or without furniture. Second, it can render your designs based on the keywords you selected. And the third is that AI is very hot recently. And people now pay high attention on this technique about AI. So in AI House, we simplify the operation. Then you can use AI to create the final designs easily. So it's time to get into our AI House. In this project, you can see that we already set some furniture inside. So now I'm going to use AI to design this living room further. Move our cursors to the top middle toolbar, hover over the render, and you can see the AI drawing functions here. So let's click to get into the AI drawing mode. So now you can see that at the left panel, there are two sections, Basics and Advanced. And at the right panel, it's used for the camera settings and perspectives. So I'm going to introduce the parameter at the left-hand panel first. First is about AI model. Here has AI inspiration and AI rendering. And AI inspiration can help generate pictures based on the space with small quantity of furniture or without furniture. And for AI rendering, it can help you adjust the space or render the space. So let's go with the AI inspiration first. Here is the composition. We have 4 modes, 4.3, 3.4, 16.9, 9.16, and you can select your favorites here. Its next is about the resolution. Small picture, SD, HD. However, in order to get the generation faster, we can select the small picture first, and once you convert your final pictures, you can upgrade them to the SD or HD. So the next is about the numbers of plots. It means the quantities of pictures you generate in the picture each time. Let's go down. Here is the AI creation. It has 3 values for you to select, like the precious, recommended, or create. Also, you can select the other value like this. This will be the 0.69. So, what is the suitable conditions for the create value? It is usable for you when you are using AI drawing to decorate your empty room, empty space. And for the recommended, the AI drawing will only make a small adjustment on your pictures. And for the precise value, AI will only make minor adjustments on it. So as there is already some furniture in my space, I'm going to use the recommended value 0.4. So let's go to the next part. And here you can determine the design styles, and you can also define your space like it is living room, bedroom, like this. However, you can also not select this if you want the results to be more random. So the last on the left panel is creative description. If you are using the empty space or want AI to make more adjustments, then you can fill the keywords in the text box. You can also select the keywords in inspiration thesaurus. Left-click it, you can see more details show out. And here it has view angle, interiors, furnishings, and lighting for material or material spectral tone like this. So now I'm going to select the sunlight first, and you can see that two signs show up, this minus and plus. And if you want this sunny days becomes more obvious, you can just left click these signs and vice versa. And if you want to delete the keywords, just select it in the text box and delete it. So now I'm going to select some keywords. So let's move to our second part, advanced. The first one is for the definition of the outside scenery. You can select your outside scenery here, and I would like to select the seaside. And also you can determine your fineness, and I would like it to be 30. So here for the multi-graph difference, it means the difference between the pictures output at the same time. You can select it as small, recommended, or just big. So I'm going to select it as recommended. The loss is that you can stylize your output pictures here, like realism through watercolor, sketch, oil painting, or even the other type. So I just going to keep this realism style. After you finishing setting all this, you can click the generate immediately button at the bottom middle and wait for a while. And you can see these pictures have been generated. For these pictures, if you have a summarized pictures first, this one is also will show the generating methods at the top left corner. Is AI inspiration. If you are generated through the AI rendering, and it will also mark at here like AI rendering. So you can see these two pictures. Like now, here has a little black toolbar. And with this function, you can redraw your area if you are not satisfied with the area. So like now, I want to redraw this little chair. So I open this area redraw function and move my cursors upon the chair and select this area. After I finishing, I'm going to click the generate immediately. You can see one more picture is under generating. What's more, you can also upgrade your pictures here. So now you can see the redrawable pictures has been generated. So let's see it. You can see the chair has been changed. What's more, at this black toolbar, you can save it in your gallery. Like now, I want to save this picture, and I just left click this save icon. Then go to the gallery. In this AI drawing section, you can see our saved pictures here. Left click it, you can see it in a much more bigger way. So let's go back for this little icon, and it means that you can download this through your computer. And if you're not satisfied with it, just delete it by this little trash icon. So this is for AI inspiration. Let's go back to the AI rendering part. Let's click AI rendering. You can see that the interface is almost the same as in AI inspiration. The difference is at the bottom, the creative description area has changed to inspiration tips. You can define your rendering style here. Let's select some definition words here and generate some pictures. natural light, dream, and classical. So what we need to do now is to wait for a while. Here you can see our AI rendering picture show out. This is the summary of them. You can see that the rendering pictures are different from the inspirations pictures. So this is all about today's lesson. If you still have some questions, please go back to the main interface and find this help icon and left click this feedback to contact us. Thank you.